I'm not wearing the seatbelt. It becomes a death trap if my car catches fire or we get submerged underwater.
Oh really? And why do you think that?
Because the whole purpose of the seatbelt is to hold you in place. It's basically a mousetrap.
That's actually not how that works. Fire and water-related accidents only account for 0.5% of accidents reported yearly. And even if you did get into one of those accidents, wearing your seatbelt would prevent you from hitting your head, which would increase your chances of escape.
Well, okay, but like you said, that's only a small chance, so I don't see how I can protect you in the types of accidents.
Okay, well, to understand how it will protect you in other types of accidents, you first need to know how it works. When used properly, the seatbelt prevents you from moving forward by distributing the kinetic energy caused by rapid and sudden deceleration. So in frontal collisions, it will keep you from hitting your head on the dashboard, steering wheel, and on the windshield. In rollover and side collisions, it would prevent you from becoming a projectile. And then in all three different kinds of collisions, it will keep you from becoming ejected.
Huh?
Here, let me just show you.
Wait, what?
This is Michael. Today he is going to hit his girlfriend so hard, she ends up with permanent brain damage.
Three dead in this vehicle. The girl is critical. They said the guy without the seatbelt did the damage.